Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It is Friday, August 8th, 2025. Dow is up 90, NASDAQ up 40, S&P futures up 15, VIX down 0.31, 16.26. No news today that is scheduled anyway. Morning, Abash. PLTR just pushed above previous day highs and pre-market highs. So that could be an early long. I've done that once this week. Worked out well. PLTR continues to be just relentless. Bell's going to ring in about 30 seconds. Today is the 7 DTE, trading 7 DTE, not 0. Bell has rung. PLTR opened above previous day high, so if it pulls back to it, I'll jump in a long some long there, long call there. Tesla above previous day high as well could be another potential long. If PLTR does pull back to previous day highs, I'll trade the 190 calls. Yeah, Tesla's leaving. Goog is another one, right above previous day highs. SMCI coming through pre-market lows. If you want a smaller stock to trade, actually 7 DTE might not be that bad. And no pullback out of PLTR, Tesla, or Goog yet. Goog's the closest. I would trade the 200 calls in Goog, but it's got to come back down. Take a look at SMCI. Yeah, SMCI 46.5 puts. Now it's coming down, darn it. All right. I'm going to take a short in SMCI on the 46.5 puts. Filled at 161. Put in an order to close half at $1.80. And PLTR still pushing. SMCI puts. Wow, Circle getting a big green bar. So my line in the sand for SMCI would be if it goes above pre-market lows. SMCI right there. Goog pulling back a little bit. Let's see, Goog, it's coming down to where I would want to get in here. I would trade the 200 calls. and filled at 330. SMCI coming right up to my line in the sand. Yeah, so that's my line in the sand right here, pre-market lows. Looks like I could have got a better fill in Goog too. Yeah, PLTR just didn't give an entry. Neither did Tesla. Wow, Goog all the way back down. I didn't expect it to come all the way down because I was a little aggressive getting in. That has kind of hurt me a little bit. Yeah, it'd be nice to get in right there where it's at right now. I guess watching Tesla and PLTR that were similar just take off probably made me be a little aggressive in getting into Goog and not wait, give it another minute or two. Tesla almost got a big volume bar. Hood with the big volume bar pulling back. See, Hood, I would trade the 114 calls filled at 330 on an upside volume runner. I would fill half my Goog at 365 or close half. Looks like they're the same. I got the same fills for both of them. So Hood also 365. And SMCI pushing up past my line in the sand. So closing that, filled at $1.41. So out of SMCI, and Tesla's still going. Put Hood here as well. Yeah, it's too bad I didn't get a better fill in Goog. Definitely would have been out of half already. Hopefully you guys got a better fill than me. PLTR pulling back. I might get long PLTR. And the 190 calls filled at 375 PLTR. Filled at 365 in Goog. Would close half of my PLTR at 415. Close another Goog at $4. All right, need Hood to start taking off now. Reddit had a nice mighty 90 short. Circle still getting big volume bars. Come on, Hood. Hit me. Hit me, Hood. Hit me. You're so close, Hood. There we go. Filled at 365 in Hood. Close another Hood at $4. No push in PLTR yet. Of course, how much push does it have left? That's the question. PLTR says, don't doubt me. I'll push up to new all-time highs. Ooh, Reddit. Nice mighty 90 red bar. Filled and Goog at $4 to close another. Get out of another goog at 435. All indices in the green. Dow up 104, NASDAQ up 149, S&P up 32. Circle still pushing, another big green bar. MSTR looks like it might get a big green bar here. It's going to be close. Maybe a tick away. Now Goog and Hood also got big green bars here. Definitely like seeing that. Oh, look at Reddit. Reddit's Mighty 90 would have been awesome. Ooh, Coinbase through lows of day. Circle just pushing. Man, PLTR, I was so close to getting out of half. Now it's pulling back. Wow, Coinbase really coming down. Netflix trying to get up to yesterday's high. Yeah, that Reddit Mighty 90 would have been stellar. Wow. If you get a chance, look at RDDT. Nice Mighty 90 short and 2 consecutive reds. There's a fill. Goog, 435 out of another. Get out of another Goog at 470. Wow, what a red bar in Reddit. The second consecutive red bar on that Mighty 90. Man, I was so close to getting out of another hood. So close. Man, PLTR coming down. Don't like that. Needs to hold. Apple pushing above previous day highs. Could be another potential long. Yeah, I probably would have jumped in Apple there if I wouldn't be long 3 stocks already. And I want some news to come out, and I'm in 4 stocks long, and then they're all tanking. It's just part of my risk management. But yeah, as soon as it got above previous day high, I thought, oh, that's going to take off. Sure enough. Sure did. S&P has been nothing but green. Not a single red bar. Come on, Hood, push up just a little bit more and hit me. See if I can get out another at 395. There, filled at 395 in Hood. To close another. Goog taking a pause. I've only got two Googs left, so I don't want to pull back to take away profits. Wow, Apple really took off. Darn it. I knew it. Close another Hood at 435. No extension out of PLTR yet. Man, Apple. I should have been aggressive. Oh well. Well, look at SMCI all the way back down through lows of day, that little stinker. That little stinker pushed up just too high. Reddit really coming down. Looks like Reddit may get a big volume bar. It's going to be close anyway. PLTR coming down. My line in the sand is right there where it's at. Tesla just got a big volume bar. Netflix above previous day high. Might look at getting long Netflix here on the 1200 calls. I filled at 435 in Hood. Filled at 1230 in Netflix on a upside continuation runner, pushed up above previous day highs. Get out another Hood at 470. So my line in the sand with Netflix is previous day high here. So I'll see where it finishes on this bar. Man, it actually had a couple mighty 90 shorts. Did not see those. Although it might get a big green bar here. It's already halfway there. I'll see how this bar finishes. PLTR just not doing much now. Need PLTR to get up through highs of day. Amazon coming down through lows. Apple still pushing. I would close half my Netflix at 1355. Filled at 470 in Hood. Filled at 470 in Goog. I got one Goog left. Put an order in at 510 to close it. I got one hood left. Also put an order at 510 to close it. Netflix, don't really like how that pulled back like that. But it's above previous day highs, so. Filled at 510 in hood. I am out of hood. Wow. What a nice runner. I should have just left that one on without a profit target. Netflix needs to push up through highs of day for me. PLTR is trying to, but it's in this little consolidation zone here. Man, S&P just straight up. PLTR not able to keep going. Man, what a bar from Hood. Come on, PLTR. You're letting all these other stocks show you up, man. What kind of a stock are you? Again, I got an order at 13.55 to close half my Netflix. And filled at 13.55. Close another Netflix at 14.80. 14.80. Yeah, I kind of figured that sell-off wouldn't last long. Filled at 1480 in Netflix. Got one Netflix left. Might just see what I can get out of Netflix here. What a great volume runner and hood. That's what the volume runner should do. So PLTR just not doing anything. Yeah, Netflix already above my next profit target would have been 1605. It's already above that. PLTR, that is not cool. You are cutting into my profits. That is not cool, PLTR. All right, had enough of PLTR, closing it. Filled at 332. Ouch. Minus 430 on that. That sucks. It'll probably bounce now. Yeah, it's bouncing. Did not play that well. Should have probably let the bar finish. I'm going to go ahead and take my Netflix one last profit. 1580 out of Netflix. Just only had one left, so booked a nice 850 on that one. Get off of my screen, PLTR. Could have left Netflix open. It's getting a big volume bar. All right, so the only thing I'm in is Goog. And I only have one contract left in it. Close my. I think I'm just going to close my Goog out. I mean, all I got's one contract left here. Let's see how well it's. I got an order at 510, so it's currently trading at 465. Let's see if it can hit it. What else we got? Amazon having a tough go at it as well. SMCI still coming down, folks. Man, makes you feel good that I that's what I thought was going to happen. I just wish it wouldn't have bounced so far up first. That's crazy. BLTR still just kind of chopping. Come on, Goog, you can do it. Don't be outdone by Hood. Come on, one more little push, Goog. You can do it. You were 10 cents away. All right. Just going to close her out. Filled at 490. Wow. Nice longs today. Netflix still going. Yeah, I probably should have kept that one open. PLTR still doing nothing, so may just be exhausted. Plus 1385. I will take that to start the day. Nice way to start. Let me do a quick glance to see if there's anything else. Hopefully some of you got in on some of those trades. Not really seeing maybe MU long that pushes through this little consolidation it's in. As it just did. All right. Yeah. I was trying to be aggressive and get in some MU, but on the 115 calls, yeah, two got filled. There we go. Filled at 236 on the 115 calls. We get out a half at 260. So my line in the sand would be if it comes back below where it broke out here. I'd like to see it push up to yesterday's high. Man, Netflix still going, why did I close that last contract out? I should have just kept that going. MSTR breaking out above previous day high as well. So a lot of good long setups today. Fridays, I usually don't have do a lot of trades. I've done more than normal here. Netflix with another big volume bar. Yeah, I mean, you're not paying very well, though. Maybe starting to see a little consolidation in the S&P, but I wouldn't be entering anything delta neutral until I see if there's a second push. PLTR just a chopping. Yeah, MSTR broke above previous day high. Now look at it. There it goes. Wish I had been in that one instead of MU. But MU still working upwards. It's just taking its time. Hood touched new all-time highs again. MU, you know, it's a stock that I've seen it many times just grind upwards all day. Not really quick pushes, just slow pushing, continuing in one direction. Yep, I got an order at 260 in MU to close half. It's still got a ways to go, though. So here's what I'm going to do. It's 9:30 Central. If MU comes back down, this consolidation, through this consolidation where it broke out, I guess maybe that would be. It's also, yeah, it's highs of day. Then I would close it. Otherwise, I'll just continue to scale out. Looks like it's trying to push up now a little bit more. So that's my plan. I'll post in the Day Trades channel when I am out of it, and I'll see everybody for Power Hour. Steve is not going to be at Power Hour apparently, so he's going somewhere. So be just me. I will see everybody then. Peace.